If you have a Cayenne that does not have the Sports Chrono, there are plenty of aftermarket companies that make the clock and the wiring harness. The Sports Chrono clocks are famous for the secondhand falling off, indicated by the red arrow on ours. This article and video will show you how to replace or fix your Sports Chrono clock and or add one. You will need to remove the entertainment system to pull the wiring connection in to get all of the functions if you are adding the system to the vehicle. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with removing the entertainment system. The clock is located under the front center and vent plate on the dash, indicated by the red arrow. You're going to be prying the plate up from the dash, and the dash is very expensive, so do yourself a favor and get a good set of trim removal tools. We used the Schwaben set with great success. Starting at the front, use a trim removal tool and gently lift the plate up from the dash. It is held in place by a series of clips. I used 2 trim removal tools and worked my way around. With the plate free, you can see the location and type of clips holding it in place, red and blue arrows. There is a locating peg on the rear, red arrows, and a series of clips that you will need to lift up from the dash. Separate the wiring connection from the clock, blue arrow. Place the trim piece down on a soft, clean surface and use a T20 torque and remove the 2 screws indicated by the red arrows. The clock will just slide back and out from its mount. If you are going to try and fix the clock secondhand, red arrow, you can just unscrew the ring and separate the glass, the clock, and the ring. Put a tiny amount of glue on the end and only the end of the secondhand mount and reattach it, red arrow. This might not be permanent, but it's cheaper than a new clock. Installation is the reverse of removal. If you are adding the clock and Sports Chrono, you will need to run the wiring down through this opening to the back of the entertainment system, red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with entertainment system removal. Once you have installed the new Sports Chrono clock, you will need to code the system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.